Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's have a look at this 2020 Acura RDX, stock number 24339A. I'm going to start with a walk around of the car on the hoist, have a good look over the tires, brakes, and suspension. The front tires here are at 10/32 of an inch. That's about 90% tread life on those ones. And the rear tires are also at 10/32 of an inch. Around the other side, I've got the wheels off so we can have a look at the brakes. The rear brakes here are at about 80% life left. And the front brakes are about 90% life left. I've got this RDX all the way up on the hoist now. We can have a good look underneath. I've checked over the rear suspension, made sure we don't have any worn shocks or bushings and no broken springs. Coming up towards the front, we'll check over the underbody, make sure there's no leaks in the exhaust as well. And I've also checked the front suspension, and we don't have any loose or worn components up here either. Under the hood, we've just changed the engine oil and filter, as well as checking and topping up any other fluids needed. And this RDX has also just passed the provincial safety inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this Acura with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop in for a test drive. Have a great day.